Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Moz Pro for domain authority growth plans, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Moz Pro account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various tools. Start by selecting the Keyword Explorer tool. Input the primary keywords relevant to your website. Analyze the keyword metrics provided. Take note of the difficulty scores for each keyword. Now, proceed to the Site Crawl tool on the dashboard. Enter your domain or specific URLs that you want to analyze. Review the generated report for site issues impacting your domain authority. Focus on critical issues such as broken links, missing alt text, and page title tags. Make a list of these issues for your optimization plan. Next, go to the On-Page Grader tool. Enter individual pages to evaluate their SEO performance. Review the recommendations aimed at improving each page's SEO. Assess the content quality based on Moz suggestions. Afterward, head to the Link Explorer tool. Input your domain to check your existing backlink profile. Analyze the quality of backlinks linking to your site. Identify opportunities to gain high-quality backlinks. Now, strategize outreach for acquiring new backlinks. Utilize the rank tracker to monitor your keyword rankings. Set up tracking for the keywords identified in the earlier steps. Regularly review this tracking to monitor growth over time. Use the Reports feature to generate data-driven insights. Customize reports to showcase important metrics related to domain authority. Schedule regular reviews to adapt your strategies. Maintain a consistent content strategy focused on high-quality, relevant topics. Engage in regular social media promotions to increase visibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.